Edinburgh and in Brighton and here in London as well, and it's like multiple screens all at the same time. It's awesome.
So you're going to be voting for the British tonight, or for France? I don't even know what's going on.
What do you think it might be tonight?
A horror.
A horror film.
I would definitely recommend a secret film experience.
I think that it was absolutely awesome and really hilarious.
The surprise